Hey guys, as you may guessed from the thumbnail and title of this video, today we have unboxing and first review of Redmi Note 8. The smartphones from Redmi Note series are one of the most popular budget phones on the market. By the way, Redmi Note 7 was released in January 2019, while Redmi Note 8 is available on sale from August 2019. In a month, it will be January 2020, so should we wait for a Redmi Note 9? So far, nothing is known about the next generation smartphone. Anyway, Redmi Note 8 is still good smartphone for the end of 2019 and even 2020. It has good performance, quad camera, big battery and a nice design. However, we will talk about all this in details. As usual, we will have 4 videos about Redmi Note 8, unboxing this one, performance test, camera test and battery test. The links to all videos will be in description. Now please hit the like button and then we will start the unboxing. The box of Redmi Note 8 looks like this. There is the image of smartphone and model name on the front side. The specifications list is on the side face. As you can see, I have the version with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory. The color is space black. Inside the box, there is cardboard package with a SIM needle and user manual. Then you will find silicone protective case of a black color, USB Type-C cable, and a 10-watt charger. Of course, there is Redmi Note 8 in the package. Let's look at design of this phone. Redmi Note 8 is a budget phone, but it has premium-looking design. The front and rear panel is covered by Gorilla Glass 5. However, the frame is plastic. There is quad camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader on the back. On the front you can see water drop notch above the display and a chin with the Redmi logo at the bottom. The control buttons are on the right side, such as power and volume rocker. The slot for dual SIM and microSD is on the left. Redmi Note 8 has USB Type-C port, speaker and 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom. On the top there is only IR blaster and microphone. By the way, I like the gradient color of Redmi Note 8. I have space black color, but also the phone is available in blue color. Both of them look amazing. As for the display of Redmi Note 8, it is quite standard for budget Xiaomi phones in 2019. By the way, Redmi Note 8 has completely the same display as Redmi Note 7, including diagonal 6.3 inches, resolution Full HD+, IPS LCD panel and pixel density 409 ppi. However, the new Redmi Note 8 has a little smaller water drop notch above the display, so the phone has a little higher screen-to-body ratio. Okay, now let's talk about hardware. Redmi Note 8 is powered by the new Snapdragon 665 chipset. It was released in the middle of 2019. As I already said, we will make a special video with performance test of Redmi Note 8 with all benchmarks and games. Right now I want to show you AnTuTu result. As you can see, Xiaomi phone has 173,000 points in AnTuTu. I have a model with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal memory, but also Redmi Note 8 is available in versions with 3 and 6 GB of RAM, 32 and 64 GB of storage. My phone runs on Android 9.0 Pie and MIUI 11 user interface. In my opinion, camera is the main feature of Redmi Note 8. In total, Xiaomi smartphone has 5 cameras, 4 on the back and 1 on the front. The rear camera consists of a 48 megapixels main sensor with f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, 2 megapixels macro camera and 2 megapixels depth camera. The front camera is 13 megapixels. I have already took some photos and they are very good for budget phone. Later, we will publish another video with camera test of Redmi Note 8. The link will be in description. Redmi Note 8 has a good battery capacity, 4000 mAh, but I am surprised that the charger has only 10 watts power. Actually, the phone has a USB Type-C port and it supports 18 watts fast charging. However, you need to buy 18 watts charger additionally. The battery test of Redmi Note 8 will be published on our channel Tech Brothers in coming days. As I already said, Redmi Note 8 has a slot for dual SIM and microSD. Both SIM cards support 4G LTE bands. Also, Xiaomi phone has a GPS, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, FM radio and IR blaster. However, there is no NFC. Redmi Note 8 has a speaker at the bottom and it is quite good. You can listen to audio samples. Xiaomi phone also has a 3.5mm audio jack if you don't have wireless Bluetooth earbuds yet. Redmi Note 8 was released about 4 months ago, so it is not new. Today you can find even better phone than Redmi Note 8, for example, Redmi K30. It is a little more expensive, but has better performance, 120Hz display, 64MP camera and 4500 mAh battery. However, I think that the Redmi Note 8 is still a good smartphone for the end of 2019 and even 2020. The price will go down, so it would be a good deal for at least another year. Don't forget to check the videos in description with performance test, camera test and battery test of Redmi Note 8. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.